in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, 19 lives lost. That's the death total from Hurricane Melissa so far. The government says assessments are ongoing and there are fears that the number could rise as rescue teams reach more communities. Information Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon provided an update earlier today.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa is now at 19. 8 bodies have been recovered in St. Elizabeth, 2 in St. James, including a child, and 9 in Westmoreland. The search and rescue teams are still out there, and as I have any other numbers, I will let you know. I know this is not numbers you want to hear, but we are doing our best to get to everyone in the affected communities.
Now in Westmoreland, residents in White House are appealing for urgent help. Yannick Williams has the details.
A life uprooted. Russell Ty says he's left traumatized after Hurricane Melissa ripped through White House in Westmoreland. It's one of the areas hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa in Westmoreland Eastern.
We have no electricity, we have no water, power lines are down, we have no way to communicate. The only reason you're able to communicate with me is because I have a Starlink, and I'm one of the only people on the scheme here who has a Starlink. So people have been having to come to me to connect, to charge. The gas station is destroyed. We can't get any gas from the gas station. The police station is destroyed. The police are having to sleep outside on mattresses.
The community is not accessible as trees and other debris have blocked all major thoroughfares. He says Melissa's strong winds blew away houses, broke concrete, and flipped containers and vehicles.
There's no other way to describe this. I've never seen anything like this. This is what we see when we experience on news what other people have experienced when getting a hard hurricane. I've never seen this level of destruction, that there are no trees left. You cannot look in a direction and see green on a tree.
Mr. Tai believes the parish needs urgent attention and is disappointed by the recovery response so far.
I would say to Mr. Andrew Holness, instead of flying above us here in White House, I am sure that he can land on the cricket strip that he has landed on before, or other persons have landed on. The JDF helicopter has been landing in front of my house many different times before. They can send help. We need help. We need gas, we need water, we need food, we need as much help as we can get.
He says any help would be accepted at this time. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.
Now a Clarendon man is dead, leaving his family and friends in shock. The man drowned in the parish on Tuesday night. But as you'll hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, while he died during the hurricane, it's unlikely his demise will be listed among the growing death toll from Hurricane Melissa.
The police say 63-year-old Winston Kelly's death is being investigated as a case of death by misadventure. According to reports, Mr. Kelly was last seen alive drinking alcoholic beverages at 8:30 p.m. on Tuesday, around the same time Melissa was battering Clarendon and by extension the rest of the country. Hours later on Wednesday, Mr. Kelly's body was fished from the river in Tollgate. His body had no sign of injury, suggesting he met a violent death. It is theorized he drowned after he fell into a gully and was washed away by the flood waters that flowed to the river.
To be true, that hours in this storm there, we still wonder where I come from or where I go that. You understand, but we don't know.
His friends are devastated.
He is a good community person, you know. He's there for any and everybody, no matter the affliction with you and him.
I would say a close associate of mine from years gone by. From the first time I saw to represent in politics, Popsy has always been a close supporter. It's unfortunate what took place.
Interestingly, one of Mr. Kelly's most recent pictures was taken at what appeared to be one of his favorite bars. Those who knew him says he liked to have the occasional drink, and they would not be surprised if this had a part in his demise.
As he was in the hospital more than 2 times, I think about 3 times. And every time he went there, I'm the person who visit him. And that is the same thing. So most likely I thought it's the drinking and might be make a misstep.
Councillor Anthony Davis of the Yorktown Division, in the meantime, says the area around the gully in which Mr. Kelly fell needed some debushing.
A number of persons got flooded out because of it, and it needs to be clean. So hopefully we can address some of the overgrown, some of the gullies, big trees are growing in them. So it state the fact that they need to be clean.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
Our coverage of the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Schools across the island have taken a hit from Hurricane Melissa, resulting in a major blow to the education sector. We visited the St. Elizabeth Technical High School STETS in St. Elizabeth today.
What was once a place of learning now looks like a scene of destruction. Roofs peeled away, classrooms flooded, walls caved in, and windows completely shattered. The St. Elizabeth Technical High School STETS got a battering by Hurricane Melissa. Keith Wellington is the principal.
We are devastated. We have suffered immense damage. And the more the hours go by and you take a closer look at what has transpired, the more significant the damage seems to be.
Mr. Wellington says the road to recovery will be a long one, as it may take several months before the school returns to some level of normalcy.
Even if we have all the resources that we need available, will take months, literally months, maybe 8 months, if we have all the resources available. We know that that is not the case. We do not have all the resources that are required. We are hoping that we will eventually be able to get as much support to garner all the resources, but that is also going to take time. So I would think that it is going to be anywhere between 8 to 12 months before we are back to normality.
Cottages that once housed students and staff are now left exposed.
We have at least 6 cottages that have been suffered damage. 4 of them, their entire roofs would have gone. From a school classroom perspective, we have one building that holds 9 classrooms, where that roof is gone its entirety. The grade 7 block that has 6 grade 7 classrooms that has been damaged. Our playfield, grandstand, that entire roof has gone as well. We have damage to our fencing, both concrete walls, broiler tube or metal fencing, chain link fencing, significant damages right around. And obviously with the roofs being removed, we would also have suffered water damage. And that water damage would also mean that we have electrical damage. So it's really, really significant damage that we have suffered.
The principal says as the damage is being assessed, the price tag just keeps getting bigger. But a plan will be curated to accommodate the 1,700 students as best as possible.
So initially, when I had a first look, I thought that this would be probably easily over $100 million to $150 million. But as we take a closer look, you look at furniture that has been damaged and so on, you're really looking at much more than that. We'll try and get students. We actually went through this with COVID, where we had students coming in maybe 3 days per week or 4 or 5 days over a 2 weeks period. So we look at that, we revisit what we did in COVID. And obviously we have to prioritize the students who are at the exit level, and that's grade 11 and 6th form students. So we'll find a way to make sure that they are able to manage.
Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.
We go to our primetime news exclusive now. We bring you the chilling story of how a family from Fullerswood, St. Elizabeth, escaped in chest-high water hurricane. As Melissa ravaged their home, the family not only lost everything, but they were pounced upon by masked robbers last night. Kalisha Williams has our story.
Me did come back alive because when my son come for work and see me have dead in the house, he flew to hospital with me.
So as you can hear, Miss Gaude's story is just one of many we've been hearing throughout St. Elizabeth. We're actually trying to get to Black River right now, but the road is still impassable. Miss Cody, I don't even know what to say right now because I can just imagine.
God.
Talk to me about.
Sometimes Miss God knows. Sometimes the man send me mad. Sometimes you feel like it's time, so I don't scare me. I don't know. God,
oh my gosh,
I feel fed up, but God knows I feel fed up.
I'm happy you're here with us, and I'm happy you're still alive.
And me and my husband and my wife, and so we have to hug up and see, because they know, so me have the asthma now. They hug me up tight, and we ears them and sting. Then the water swell come right up here, so.
Any of the officials, is there any of the officials in the area who could have assisted you to go to a shelter before the storm?
I don't see nobody move, me not tell
and
no
would you have
lie.
gone if you had seen somebody?
Yeah, because end up last time when one storm me passed through near Ivan, the fire truck he come for us.
And you were saying that on top of that, people also came and they were looting?
Yes, last night they had mass up themselves and we bought out and we said, Jesus Christ, when are going to do to we now?
Yeah. So you still have nowhere to go at this point?
We don't have nowhere to go, miss. We don't have nowhere to go. Right now, at the abandoned building we have up there, so when we put my son in, so I'm going to up here, some of the cement dust and something. We just have sneeze. We don't have nothing. We don't have no
so
mattress.
No one passed
not even this mattress.
No one passed to assist you or anything at all?
Nobody not give me nothing, miss. Me not tell no lie. We hungry, God know. Right now, my mouth is supposed to smell or something, because you know, so when I don't eat. You understand?
When was the last time you ate?
I tell you, say, the last time we eat about Saturday, because we are afraid panic. So last time we eat, all my son, if he get his medication, then went up in the car. Every minute we are blackout. We are blackout every minute. Because we hungry, we not even have a soul in our belly. It's here we. Right, so
where's your husband now?
I tell you, say, in gone up at a wall building there, so look up there, so.
Yes, I'm seeing it.
He right up there, so right at the wall upstairs, and don't see business where unfinished. If I don't see, go over there, you see him. Go over there, miss, please.
Yes,
I beg you, and go over there, go see my son.
We're going to go over there and see. But thank you so much for speaking to us. And
my son a teacher Gregory Clark.
I see some people coming over right now, and I'm hoping that they'll be able to get
my husband again in here, Oliver Stewart. My son name Gregory Clark. Me name Nicola Godi.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ms. Cody.
Yes, please. Thank you very much. Oh, God. Thank you, please. Thank you.
So happy I did and I spoke with you.
Maybe you come to save my life. Thank you, please.
Now in Manchester, we'll take a break now.